All right, the next step in our natural selection story is to now take our pictures that we made and put them onto our slideshow. So the goal is to have a whole set of pictures on the slideshow like this one. So you have now your slideshow that has the script into the speaker notes, and our job now is to basically insert pictures here that will help us tell the story. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to go back to your original script and you're going to take a picture and you're going to copy that picture. So do that now, find that and copy it and make sure you have it ready to do the next step. All right, once the picture has been copied, what we're going to do next is we are going to take it and put it into our slideshow. So we're going to find slideshow, slide number 1 that says once all, we're going to paste it in there. So now we have our 3 characters. But in this slide, all I really need is 1 character. I need my starting rabbit. So for that, I'm going to use the crop tool. I'm going to crop this image, which means I'm going to grab it by this black line. I'm going to drag this line over. And I'm going to now isolate or just show the 1 picture that I need, which is the rabbit with short ears. Now, but I want to show rabbits with short ears. So I might do a couple things. I might grab 1 corner and resize that. And then I'm going to also go up here and copy it and paste it a few times so that I can move it around and show that I've got a couple of rabbits with short ears. But I want to show variation next. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this next slide and I'm going to paste in my short-eared rabbit like so, maybe a couple of them like that. And so I've got these short-eared rabbits, but I have longer-eared ones too. So what's awesome about the crop tool is if I take this 1 image and I crop it, right-click, go to crop, I'm going to reveal the full image is still there, and I'm just going to resize or recrop this so that I'm now revealing my target organism, which in this case is the long-eared rabbit. So I'm going to stop there. And if I want, I can copy and paste that a couple times like so. So I have a little nice population of rabbits with different characteristics, a population with variation. Now, I want to show that this population is overpopulated. That is, it's starting to, it's reproducing so much that they're competing for resources and avoiding predators. So that's the next slide, slide 3. So for this, I could individually copy each one of these and paste them into this slide 3. Or there's a little bit of a fancier move, as some of you know, which is I can lasso all of them like so, right-click, copy this, and then I can paste those into this a couple times if I want and show and move them around, delete a couple, and show that there's a pretty nice sized population of rabbits here. And they're competing now for resources. Not all of them can survive. They're trying to hide from predators. They're trying to get food. And that's where we have the environmental change come in. This predator moves into the area. So we need the predator. So I'm going to just copy one of these up here. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to paste that into this somewhere because you know what happens inside this crop. There is the selective pressure, the third drawing. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to grab, resize, and recrop. So I reveal my selective pressure. I'll put them up here in the corner. And then I'm going to use that fancy lassoing move, right, where I can lasso a bunch of these, right click, copy, and I can paste them over like so. Now I've got all these creatures over here. So you'll keep going this way so that at the end, you'll have a nice slideshow with lots of images, not many words, that you can use to tell your natural selection story. So that's going to be the next step. But keep going, get all these slides in here so that you get some kind of a picture that you can just click through, and the pictures will remind you what to say in your story. And that's what a good presentation does. It basically has the images you need to remember what to say. And that's what we're trying to build here. So good luck and have some fun with it.